So just because we can't celebrate Earth Day in the traditional way, we can all go out to our backyards and pick up trash or remove this plant, which is called garlic mustard. Garlic mustard is a biennial plant, and it's very, very, very easy to remove this time of year, straight pulling it up, just like that. And this garlic mustard has a characteristic heart-shaped leaf with veins that go to the extent from the mid-rib outward like that, kind of a spider webbish like. And probably the most thing that's definitive characteristic of the plant is the fact it really reeks of garlic. It makes a wonderful pesto. So don't throw your garlic mustard away. Pull it, make pesto, or add it to soups and salads. Totally edible. And contrasting garlic mustard with another plant that is also comes up this time of year, motherwort. This is not edible, but you can see the leaf venation is somewhat similar, outward from the midrib. So garlic mustard is noxious because it overgrows everything out here. Obviously, it's one of the first green things growing. It has the ability to overcome all the native vegetation, and if we don't pick it, pretty soon this whole woodlot behind my house will be loaded with it. But it's pretty much almost eradicated because we pick it every year and eat it. Happy Earth Day.